If you love the Hygiene Primer Serum, I'm sure you're also going to love the brand new Hygiene Glow Beautifier. This highlighting bouncy face powder encapsulates the luminosity of my best-selling innovative Hygiene Primer Serum into a new multifunction powder version. It's the softest and the smoothest highlighter texture you will ever touch. This is so satisfying to touch. Look how gorgeous and glowy. You can see how sheer the coverage is, which is amazing. So it's like a completely natural product. This powder is infused with these non-pigmented emollient pearls that ensure this beautiful translucent luminosity and will give you the most amazing, healthy, unmatched glow from within look to your skin. And it comes in 4 inclusive shades. This is the light shade that I've used. This is the medium shade. It's warmer and more champagne. This is the dark shade. Look how pretty. And the deep shade. The Hygiene Skincare Infused Glow Beautifier also hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It even helps to reduce the appearance of pores within 14 to 28 days of daily use. The Avacuta complex makes the complexion look and feel soft and oil-balanced. The ginseng extract has antioxidants, is anti-aging, anti-inflammatory. Passioline is another active included that is based on maracuja oil. And finally, the aloe butter that cares and hydrates super dry skin is also a clean formula. It is microplastic free, talc free, and also vegan.